Hi, my name is Joy and I'm the marketing manager at Nymi. We've developed an enterprise service that, for the first time, allows people to connect to their workplace through one unifying platform and a complementary wearable. We were born out of Toronto, Canada, but today our global customer base is comprised of some of the world's largest companies with deployments across 15 countries in the pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, life sciences, and financial services industry. Our solution provides a new paradigm for how people work that better positions organizations for the digital future. It's passwordless, contactless, and hands-free. Unlike traditional biometric and wearable technologies, we follow a zero-trust security and privacy by design framework. So from a security and user experience standpoint, we are unmatched. When our customers connect their workers as a service, it allows people to refocus their time and energy to their value-add work and away from things like password logins and manual inputs on processes, all the while having peace of mind that our platform prioritizes user privacy as the default. At the same time, their business simultaneously achieves better security, efficiency, data integrity, compliance, and agility. As a Rockwell automation technology partner, our joint customers can integrate our connected worker platform harmoniously with their existing Rockwell solutions.